Hey YouTubers, so wanted to talk about the next computer that I'm building, and we will definitely be doing a bunch of benchmarks on it, so we'll see how it goes. For the most part, everything is new. There are a couple of things in here that are used, but for the most part it's a brand new computer. So let's see, let's start with the case. This is something I got off Newegg, do-it-yourself PC. This is a mid-tower case, and it's the Solo T2BK model. So eventually when I unbox all this stuff, you'll see that. For the motherboard, we have a Gigabyte H310M A. That was brand new. I got that for $45. And I'll go back to the case. I actually got that for $15. Then I think I had to pay like $5 to ship it, so $20 for a case. It's got a couple lights in it and some fans, so not bad. Alright, but that motherboard, let's go back to the motherboard. 8-gen processor, it'll hold, and pretty excited about that. I believe it only has two memory slots. It is RGB light compatible, so if I wanted to add some lights to it, I could do that. It does have a M.2 NVMe SSD slot, so that is really good. Like I said, it's 8-gen, and we will be putting an 8-gen processor in it, obviously. So that's about all I'm going to talk about for the motherboard for now. There's a lot more to it, but we'll save that for another video. Alright, so above it is our CPU fan that we're going to use. And this is a Noctua NH-U14S. This thing is super quiet and really efficient as far as cooling your processor goes. I wish you could see how heavy this thing is, but I can't even pick it up with one hand, but it's freaking heavy. To power this rig, we've got an EVGA 500 watt power supply, which should be enough. I haven't had any issues with not having enough power. Down below, we've got a EVGA GeForce GTX 1070. So I'm pretty happy about that. That's going to make one hell of a gaming machine. And to be honest with you, it should really be effective as far as using it for desktop and for workstation. So not only really good for gaming, but those other things. Those 8 gigs of video RAM will really be helpful. Alright, over here, so there is one thing I'm missing. Actually in this pile. Actually it is in there. So we've got 2 hard drives we're going to put in it. They're both kind of dinky, and there's actually another hard drive I'm going to use, but so we've got an Adda SSD SATA drive. That's the SU655 model, 120 gigs, and then camera's floating all on me. Right below it, there is a Pioneer M.2 HVME. That should be a 250 gigabyte SSD. And that one will be considerably faster. Also got 16 gigs of Patriot Viper RAM. And then even though it's an old box, I did buy my CPU used on the eBay. That is actually an i3-8350K in there. So this is going to be one hell of a machine. Very good single core scores. Not the best multi-core, but as you guys realize, single core really is really more effective for gaming anyway, since multi-cores are more into heavier workstation type software. Alright, so that's about it for this one. I think I've covered just about everything. I do have a DVD player that'll be going in that I got off Newegg, $20. That hasn't made it here, but it's not going to slow me up from shipping, and obviously we need an operating system, so we will have Windows 10 Pro in here, and I think that's about it, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.